Hello everyone, my name is Furkan Gozukara. I am an assistant professor in the software engineering department of a private university. I am not only an academician but also a single India developer of the web-based game Monster MMORPG for over 13 years. I am developing Monster MMORPG with ASP.NET and C#. Therefore, I have extensive knowledge both in academic teaching and practical business life. Moreover, I always teach according to the needs of business life. As a special feature, we have a Discord channel where I am always online and answering the questions of my students. Not only me, but also my previously graduated students will be helping you as well. In this course, you will be learning programming from scratch. This course was designed and prepared for the first semester of undergraduate software engineering students. After completing this course, you will be able to build a fully functional calculator with a decent interface in .NET Core WPF with C# programming language. You will learn the fundamentals of programming such as programming syntax, programming logic, how to use Visual Studio Community Edition, how to develop a program, compile and run this program, data types, special characters, special keywords, operators, strings, string formatting, arrays, lists, indexing logic, math operations, Boolean logic, methods, loops, classes, comparison operators, error handling, try and catch, writing to a file or reading from a file, responsive user interface design, Windows Presentation Foundation aka WPF, null handling, how to properly do debugging for solving errors and fixing problems, how to use language integrated query aka LINQ, and many other subjects. In the end, we will code together an example calculator by using .NET Core WPF and C#. This calculator will also have a user registration and login system to remember the previous actions of each user. Finally, please read the course information and description very carefully, hopefully to meet you in the course.